In this video, we are going to fix a Windows Update error code 0x80072ef3. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? At day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, locate for system, click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down, find for troubleshoot. Next is you need to click for other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, please navigate to the Windows Update and click on Run. So run the troubleshooter for Windows Update and see if the problem has been fixed, okay? However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to restart the Windows Update service. How we can do that? At the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc and then click on the OK button to continue. Once you have opened the services, you need to select any of the service here, type W in your keyboard so that you would be navigated easily to the service which has an initial four-letter W. By that, scroll down, locate for Windows Update, make a right click, click on Properties, then set the startup type into Automatic and start the service. Wait until this would be finished, and once you have completed this one, click on Apply and then click on OK. And then you need to close this window and run the Windows update again and see if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the last solution, and that is we need to run for System File Checker. How we can do that? Here at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, please wait until you can see a command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and click on Run as Administrator corresponding to the application. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy the commands that I have provided at the YouTube description. These are three commands, and this you need to paste this one by one and not as a whole. So by that, please copy the first one, which is to do SFC scan, and this process will take some time, maybe 5 minutes. Wait until this process would be finished. Don't close this window. Once you are done, proceed on copying and pasting the second, which is to restore the health of your computer, and this will take 4 minutes. Okay, wait until it be finished. And once you have done it, proceed on day third, which is to check the health of your computer. So once you have completed all of these commands or once you have completed the procedure, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and see if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.